PR प्रभु दत्ता सुबोधी, जिनके बारे में हम थोड़ा जानेंगे. Who is Mr. Prabhu Datta? Can we have a small intro of Mr. Prabhu Datta? Ladies and gentlemen, आपकी स्क्रीन पर.
Prabhu Datta Subudhi, affectionately known as Prabhu, is a dynamic blend of technological prowess and financial acumen. He was born as a Rotary led into a family with rich trading heritage in the sacred city of Puri. He has successfully ventured into the diverse industries such as real estate, LPG distribution, stock brokering, apparel retail, home automation, and software consultancy. His commitment to Rotary began in 1987 as a rotractor inspired by his father. Major donor level 2, a pioneer in the endowment fund, and global grant initiatives significantly influenced by Prabhu's dedication to Rotary. His Rotary leadership is marked by numerous achievements. In 2016 to 17, received 37 awards as club president. Prabhu is Commerce and RLI graduate and NLB, a computer programming credential from NCC UK. Prabhu is married to Rotarian Manjusha, a homemaker. They are blessed with two sons, Mohit, a graduate of Cass Business School, London, who runs a software company, and Puneet, currently pursuing his graduation in UK. During his tenure as district governor for District 3262 in the Rotary year 2022-23, achieved numerous significant milestones for the first time in the district's history. Implemented online registration for all events and seminars, achieved 90% RI citation for 107 clubs, organized an out-of-district training assembly at Banaras and a conference at Kolkata, organized TRF seminar with over highest 450 participants, inspiring 834 donors to contribute 1.52 crores with a growth of 325% compared to previous year. Organized seminars on stewardship, organ donation, and the four-way test. Initiated medical mission Happy to Heal at Baripada, serving 3,500 OPD patients and conducting 361 surgeries. Felicitated a project involving 100 clubs to distribute sewing machines and wet grinders to empower women, and distributed 40 high capacity water filters for clean water. Provided detailed club history and information in the district directory, helping club leaders and members focus on areas of improvement. Held a district legislative meeting to establish district bylaws after 13 years of District 3262's formation. Made history by terminating 70 non-functioning clubs. Known for his punctuality, Prabhu's commitment to timely attendance at all programs and official club visits set a new standard for leadership. Prabhu is also a skilled business trainer. His journey as a successful businessman and dedicated Rotarian underscores his strong leadership skills and highlights his commitment to creating positive change within the community.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that's Rotary International Resident Representative Mr. Prabhu Datta Subodhi, जिनका स्कॉट कर रहे हैं Kamal sir, Kamal Kamathi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kamal sir. And stage is here.
Jai Jagannath. Thank you. Good afternoon to RI District 3250, RI Director-elect KP Nagesh, past RI Director Kamal Sangvi and Madam Sonal, Chief Guest Rotarian Deepak Bhora, who is member of my district, PDG Sandeep Narang, RP, PDG Dr. Binod Singh, ARC, PDG Dr. Bindu Singh, ARC, and ever smiling DG Bipin Chajan and First Lady Silpi Madam. Galaxy of past governors, including my batchmate Sanjeev Thakur, District Governor-elect Namrata Madam, and District Governor Nobini Anu Narang. Yes, this conference is successful because of conference chairman, past President Naveen Gupta, and Madam Sarmila. Distinguished guests and visiting Rotarians, I must thank Kamal Makati and Rakshita for making me comfortable since morning. I should recognize presence of my DG batchmate from RID 3190, Jitendra Aneja and Shunanda Madam, friends and family of Rotary, Rotractor, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it's an honor of privilege to stand before you today as the Rotary International President Representative in the incredible district conference, Junoon. On behalf of RI President Stephanie and the entire Rotary International leadership team, I bring you warm greeting and heartfelt wishes to truly inspiring and successful events. I rarely go to the Jagannath temple, though I stay 2 minutes away from the Jagannath temple. 2 days back, I had been to Jagannath temple with my partner to seek blessing to have this conference a great success. Yes, Junoon embodies a spectrum of powerful emotion, a passion that drives us to chase our dream, enthusiasm that speaks creativity, obsession that focuses our energy, and madness that breaks barriers. It is relentless spirit that turns aspiration into achievement and transform communities. Today, let us embrace Junoon as our rallying cry to dream big, act boldly, and serve selflessly. जुनून वो चिंगारी है जो दिल में जलती रहे, जुनून वो चिंगारी है जो दिल में चलती रहे, हर मुश्किल को जीतकर नई राह दिखाते रहे. रोटरी का जुनून बस यही सिखलाता है, सेवा और एकता से हर सपना साकार बनाता है. As I look around this gathering of passionate individuals, I am reminded of Rotary's profound strength and unity across the globe. This year's theme, The Magic of Rotary, perfectly captures what makes our organization so special. Today, let's discuss how to harness this magic to achieve our goals and for the Rotary vision. The magic of Rotary will happen when we all reflect on Rotary's action plan, centered on 4 transformative priorities: impact, reach, engagement, and adaptability. Let us expand our reach. What our Director-elect Nagesh was telling, definitely I commit, I will try my best to reach in my district also. And let us enhance the membership through different club types other than traditional club like Passport Club, Corporate Club, Cause-based Club, Alumni-based Club, Interest-based Club, and International Club to bring a new member in different format. Let us enhance participation and engagement. Let us increase our ability to adapt. You have to change yourself. Change is the only ability to adapt. People who change after the change will survive. People who don't change, even after the change, they will die. But people who change, with change, they will prosper. Taking a step further, those who change, before the change, will lead. I think we all are Rotarians, we all are leaders, we have to change before the change. Seeing the fools silent and Santi in the room, I love to chant the sloka from Veda. Vang dharya shanti, antarikha shanti, apa shanti, aushadha shanti, vanaspati shanti, vishwadeva shanti, Santi Brahma, Santi Reva Santi, Sama Santi Rodhi, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. May there be peace in the heaven, in the sky, on the earth, in water. May there be peace in the herbs, in vegetations, in the entire Brahma. May there be peace everywhere. May there be peace and only peace. May that peace embrace us. जो काम नहीं होता है शांति से, फिर वही काम होता है क्रांति से. Why I am saying this? One of the key priorities of this year is peace building. This year peace building presidential conference symbolizes this effort. It is the platform to promote peace and celebrate the inauguration with the new Middle East and North Africa Peace Center in partnership with Başar University in Istanbul. We had previously 7 peace centers at Bangkok, North Carolina, Bafford, England, Tokyo, Brisbane, Kampala in Uganda, and Sweden. This is the 8th peace center we are going to have. The Rotary Prince Center offer a tailor-made curriculum to train individual devoted to peace building and conflict resolution. There is 17-month course, and till now, 904 master programs has been done, and you're proud to know more than 188 million US dollar collected since 2002 for managing this course. I invite each one to join with their family and friend at the 3-day Rotary Presidential Conference, which will be held at the Hilton Istanbul, Turkey from 20th to 22nd February 2025. I request District Governor Chachanji, please make a small group so that they can promote the peace conference as soon as possible. Yes, in the hall, we all are sitting, are very powerful, and individually, definitely, we are very powerful. You all must know the power of one. One song in the film can make a hit. One smile can resonate the atmosphere. One star in the dark sky can guide a ship. One man can make all the difference. One man's purity can change the whole world. One small drop of chemical can increase the strength of the whole material. But one or you alone can go fast. If you want to go far, go together, I request to add new member. Yes, it's a focus. We are stuck of at a particular number. It's our duty to how to increase the number. So, एक हिंदी में कहावत है, एक और मिलकर दो हो जाए ये गणित है, एक और मिलकर एक ही रह जाए ये प्यार है, एक और एक मिलकर शून्य हो जाए ये आध्यात्म है, एक और एक से मिलने न दे जाए ये कूटनीति है, एक से के विरुद्ध एक खड़ा किया जाए ये राजनीति है, एक और एक मिलकर 11 हो जाए ये संगठन है, बट एक और एक मिलकर 111 हो जाए ये रोटरी है. सो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ हर मेंबर को एक एक मेंबर लाइए, और अब कृपया आप जो ये आज अनुभव कर रहे हैं, आप ये जो आज कॉन्फ्रेंस हो, जो नेटवर्किंग को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं विथ फैमिली, दूसरों को एंजॉय करने के लिए दीजिए. Yes, each of us received extraordinary gift when we were invited to join Rotary. It is now our responsibility to share this gift with others, introducing them to the opportunity, impact, and connection that Rotary provide. I must say, who all are present in this room, may I know how many club presidents are there here? Can the club presidents? Okay. So most have gone for the tea. I request each and every club member, club president to try to have one more club to sponsor club any format so that we can receive that, achieve the target what our Nagesh was telling. So please work together so that we can reach there. हिंदी में कहावत है, 84 लाखों जीवों में सिर्फ इंसान ही पैसा कमाता है, पर बाकी कोई जीव जीवन में भूखा नहीं मरा, पर इंसान की पेट जीवन में कभी नहीं भरा. To see God has given us 2 eyes to see the world, but we have to close that eye to see the God. If you purchase goods which is not required because you have big money, the day will come, you have to sell all required goods to manage your fund. I repeat it. If you purchase good which is not required because of you have big money, the day will come when you have to sell all your required good to manage your fund. So what to do with this excess fund? We have to do charity. We have to save for the future, save for our generations, but we have to do little charity. Where to contribute? The Rotary Foundation. Why to contribute? You all know. This is the only organization in the world which has achieved 4-star rated from the Charity Navigator since the last 14 years. Let's have a big clap for us for the stewardship, for the way we are managing the fund. And you're happy to know we are spending only 4 to 8% to manage the fund, compared to other NGOs, they overspend more than 25% because we being a volunteers, we work for the Rotary at free of cost and we enjoy it. And we sometimes add fund to the Rotary fund to make it big. This is which is not yet calculated. You must be knowing our foundation started 177 years ago by Arts Club with $26.5 US. 107 साल पहले 26.5 US डॉलर से हमारा ये फाउंडेशन शुरू हुआ था. आपको सुनकर ये गर्व अनुभव होगा. आज हमारा पास 1443 मिलियन US डॉलर मीन हमारा भारतीय मुद्रा में 12,300 करोड़ रुपया है. What a big amount. Every year we do around 1,800 to 2,000 different grants amounting to US dollar 108 million, which is around 9,000 crores. The Rotary Foundation is the engine that powers Rotary's transformative work. It fuels the fight against polio, support global and district grants, fund large-scale impactful program, respond to disaster, and sustain Rotary Peace Centers around the world, what I was talking about. But what the foundation aims? The foundation aims at the endowment to reach a 2.025 billion by June 2025, which is around 16,700 crore. I must thank Bipinji for doing wonderful job in his district, but I request to invest in the endowment so that your contribution today will fuel service, project, and hope for the generation to come. Paolari Society. Very few members know what is Paolari Society. Your district has 36 Paolari Society members. You have to commit for $1,000 every year to contribute to Rotary. I request who commit to give at least $1,000 annually to the different fund, their extraordinary dedication such as standard generation and leadership. Dear Rotarian, you will happy to know now Rotary has a system for Rotary Direct Mix. Like you do in the SIP or SWP, you can now do the Rotary Direct Funds. You can every quarterly, monthly, or yearly, you can tag your bank account to the Rotary Foundation. So I request, please contribute to Rotary. प्रेम से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं, दान से बड़ा कोई कर्म नहीं. You must be tagging most of the social media. जी रहे जिंदगी कपड़े बदल बदल के, जी रहे जिंदगी कपड़े बदल बदल के, एक दिन एक ही कपड़े में ले जाएंगे कंधे बदल बदल के. तो क्या करेंगे पैसा को रख के? यदि कहीं भी दीजिए, आप कहीं भी देते हैं, आप मंदिर में देते हैं, कहीं भी दान देते हैं, परंतु मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, आप जब कोई म्यूचुअल फंड में लगाते, कोई डायरेक्ट शेयर में लगाते, इसका कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. आप कहीं दान देते हैं, उसका कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. हमारा जो रोटरी फाउंडेशन है, इट इज सो डिजाइन, सो वेल डिजाइन, इतना बढ़िया सा स्टीवर्डशिप है. कोई भी कुछ भी थोड़ा भी गलती करेगा, कहीं इट मे बी क्लब प्रेसिडेंट, इट मे बी RI प्रेसिडेंट, द रूल इज सेम फॉर एवरीथिंग. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट, believe in Rotary Foundation, please do contribute to the Rotary Foundation. Now the most important thing is our public image. I always say, ऐसा काम करे कि हमारा नाम हो जाए, ऐसा नाम करे कि हमारा काम हो जाए. Anything done in the world, we are proud of it. Anything done in the world, we are proud of. It may be the Max Hospital done by the Bombay Club. I always say that this is the Rotarian has done. If a Polio Plus has gone, it is an old story, but yes, we are proud that we are being the part of Rotary, we have done this. Please do anything. हम कभी भी जाते हैं कलेक्टर के पास, रोटरी से हैं तो हमारा पहले पर्चा चला जाता है. कभी भी रथ यात्रा होता है, हमारा रोटरी क्लब का नाम पहले लिखा रहता है, क्योंकि ये रोटरी क्लब कुछ करता है. मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, आप ऐसा कुछ काम कीजिए जो कि रोटरी का नाम बदनाम ना हो और उसी के नाम से हम दूसरा काम कर सकें. सो आई रिपीट, ऐसा काम करे कि हमारा नाम हो जाए, ऐसा नाम करे कि हमारा काम हो जाए. बट क्या होता है? फोटो इज आवर मोटो. यस, आई अंडरस्टैंड. फोटो is our motto. It inspire others, it insist others, it also inject the Rotary for do something new. कभी कभी हम नाराज हो जाते हैं कि अरे मेरा फोटो नहीं है, अरे उसका फोटो आ गया. मैं बोलता हूँ, नाराज न होना ये सोच कर कि काम मेरा और नाम किसी का हो रहा है, क्योंकि घी और दिया सदियों से जलते रहे, पर लोग कहते हैं कि दिया जल रहा है. So whatever you do, the Rotary is doing, whether Bipin ji doing or Bindu ji doing or Namrata is doing or Anu ji doing, Rotary is doing. तो आई रिक्वेस्ट कभी भी ये नाराज न होना कि मेरा फोटो नहीं आया, तो मेरा पब्लिक इमेज होना चाहिए। बहुत से मेंबर है, दे जॉइंड रोटरी। आई ऑलवेज से few members are Rotarian by chance, a few members are Rotarian by choice. कुछ होते होते हो गया। जैसे मेरे पिताजी 1968 से मेंबर है, he is still now active Rotarian in my club. 1987 में पहले रोटरैक्ट में ज्वाइन किया, फिर 2000। मुझे उस टाइम रोटरी का कुछ मालूम नहीं था, बट मैं जाता था, आई हैड फेलोशिप। बट इफ यू हैव जॉइंड अ रोटरी, चाहे आप बाई चांस हो बाई चॉइस हो, यदि आपको कोई खींच के मंदिर ले जाता है तो आपको मोबाइल रखना पड़ता है, जूता बाहर रखना पड़ेगा, कोई मंदिर में हाथ जोड़ना पड़ता है, कोई दान पेटी में पैसा देना पड़ता है। तो आप रोटरी में ज्वाइन किए, ईगो को बाहर रखिए, गुस्सा को बाहर रखिए, किसी को देखते हैं तो नमस्कार कीजिए, फाउंडेशन में कुछ दान कीजिए। तो मैं क्या बोलता हूँ ना, जिससे मोहब्बत करते हो तो उसे शादी कर दो, जिससे मोहब्बत करते हो उसे शादी कर दो, नहीं तो जिससे शादी किए हो उसे मोहब्बत करना शुरू कर दो, जो कि सबको करना पड़ता है। तो dear friend, let us celebrate this conference with the achievement of DG Bipinji. I think DG Bipinji is an all-rounder. He scored good in everything. I am just going through all the data. आपको जान को खुशी होगा कि ना इंग्लिश, ना मैथमेटिक्स, ना हिंदी, सब में 100 से 100 है। I am very poor. I am very good in mathematics, but bad in English. But बिपिन जी का मैं पूरा स्कोर देख रहा था, कहीं भी वो नहीं छोड़े। Let us celebrate this conference with Junoon, and I must thank each and every president, each and every Rotary member who have contributed to achieve that. He has done till today 1.8 lakh US dollar compared to last year only full year 2 lakh US dollar. In absence of Sanjay Khemka, I must say in 2014-15, you people have done 5.5 lakh dollar. Why not this year 5.5 lakh? Why is Bipin ji is there here? Bipin ji, आप यदि नवंबर महीना तक 2 लाख किए हैं, मेरा गणित के हिसाब से 5 लाख बैठता है। मैं 5 लाख बैठता है। 2014-15 में आपने आपका डिस्ट्रिक्ट के संजय जी 5.5 लाख डॉलर किए थे, ये 2024-25 से, तो कम से कम उतना करिए ना। Let's have a big clap for the Bipin ji. 137 PHA मेंबर ने बनाया है और उन्होंने टारगेट रखा है 600 मेंबर बनाने के लिए। Your district has 117 major donors. This year till today 5 major donors has been made and he has targeted for 20 major donor. और ये जानकर खुशी होगा 41 क्लब, 41 clubs are 100% contributing. Let's have big clap for the 100% contributing club. There are 0 club without contributing. I request Bipin ji, let's have a district with 0% without contributing. Let's have 100% contributing district. But थोड़ा कुछ और ज़्यादा मांगते हैं। कोई एक केस नहीं है आपका डिस्ट्रिक्ट में। वो मेरा छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट है, जगन्नाथ जी को प्रसाद लगाऊंगा, यदि एक ही केस हो जाएंगे तो मेरा आना थोड़ा जगन्नाथ जी का हो जाएगा। मैं सारा डाटा देखने वाला, मैं जो कल्पवृक्ष होता है ना, बटवृक्ष होता है, उसमें एक धागा बांध के आया हूँ कि बिपिन जी को बोलूँगा एक केस इस बार होगा। I must thank Bipin ji. Your district has till today made 15 lakh US dollar grants. You will happy to know Bipin ji have committed to do 4.5 lakh US dollar का करने के लिए ऑलरेडी कर चुके, proposals बनाए, अभी एक प्रोजेक्ट हो चुका है और 7 प्रोजेक्ट होने वाला है। Let's have big clap for the Bipin ji and Bipin ji, I love to have contribute 5,000 US dollar to any project you want to your this year if you want. जाते जाते एक चीज बोलूंगा, बिपिन जी, आप अपनी खूबियां ढूंढे, खामियां ढूंढने के लिए लोग हैं ना। अगर रखना तो कदम आगे रखे, पीछे खींचने के लिए लोग हैं ना। सपना देखना तो बड़ा देखे, नीचे दिखाने के लिए लोग हैं ना। प्यार करना तो खुद से करो, नफरत करने के लिए लोग हैं ना। आप अपनी अलग पहचान बनाइए, भीड़ में चलने के लिए लोग हैं ना। आप कुछ करके दिखाइए, आप कुछ करके दिखाइए, खड़े होकर ताली बजाने के लिए लोग हैं ना। Thank you for patience hearing. Jai Jagannath, Namaskar, and I think I will enjoy with you in these 3 days. And I thank Bipinji and RI President Eken for this assignment. Before I go, I have a small assignment from the instructor with RI President. Mr. Makati, please help me out. I have to felicitate both the directors present here, none other than past RI Director Kamal Sanghviji and Director-elect Nageshji on behalf of RI President.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that was Prabhu Datta Subodhi sir, जिन्होंने कमाल का माहौल बनाया, बहुत सारी लाइनें इन्होंने बोली, और मुझे लगता है इनकी लाइनें से एक चीज़ जो मैंने सीखी है वो ये कि आसमान में एक तारा काफ़ी है, चेहरे पे एक स्माइल काफ़ी है, और समाज में एक बदलाव के लिए एक रोटेरियन ही काफ़ी है. Is it true? Absolutely true. Please give a big hand for Mr. Subodhi. And सुबोधी सर का हम सम्मान करना चाहते हैं. पाटलिपुत्र and past presidents सुभाष पटवारी सर को token of thank you देते हुए, जुनून the journey continue district conference 2024 to 2025, सुभाष पटवारी past president, Rotary पाटलिपुत्र, RI PR Prabhu Datta Subodhi sir, thank you so much for your kind words. And now over to Naveen sir.